Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Synup for local SEO tracking and reporting step by step clearly. To connect Synup for local SEO tracking and reporting, start by visiting the Synup website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in the required details such as your email address and password. Once you are signed up, log into your Synup account. Navigate to the dashboard to start the connection process. Click on the Add Location button. Enter the necessary business details including the name, address, and phone number. Ensure that the information is accurate for optimal local SEO performance. After entering the details, select the appropriate business category. Then, provide your website URL to enhance your online presence. After filling in all necessary fields, hit the Submit button. Your business will now be added to the dashboard for tracking. Next, set up your business citations. Click on the Citations tab in the dashboard. Choose platforms where you'd like your business information to be listed. Review and verify each citation suggestion. Make edits as needed to ensure accuracy. Confirm your selections and sync your citations. Next, go to the Analytics section. This is where you can track your local SEO performance. Review the metrics available such as visibility and ranking. Set up reports by selecting Reports in the dashboard. Choose the frequency and details that you want included in your reports. Save your report settings for future analysis. Finally, make sure to regularly check your Synup dashboard. Stay informed about any changes in local SEO trends. Adjust your strategy as needed based on the insights provided. This will help you maintain a strong local SEO presence. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.